how to use Instagram enhanced tagging. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just use Instagram enhanced tagging in a simple way. So what you have to do is follow these following simple steps. First of all, open up after opening up the Instagram, you're going to go into the profile menu and you're going to look for a create a post plus icon that is at the bottom of the screen. Afterwards, just tap on it. Select a post you want to make. For example, I have chosen this post. Now I'm going to go on the blue arrow that is at the right top corner. Afterwards, I'm going to go and edit the photo I want to do. As I've edited the photo, now I would once again press the blue arrow button that is at the right corner, upper corner of the screen. Afterwards, now what I'm going to do is a new page is going to appear up in which I'm going to look for a tag option or tag people option, which is number one after write the caption in my profile picture. So I'm going to tap on it. Afterwards, what I have to do is tap on a screen where I think that person is there. So I have to search for a user. So I'm going to tag the user. So for example, I'm going to write a user. This is the person I have tagged. Now there is an option to show profile category. So once I'll do that, I'll tap on that show profile category that shows that this person is a photographer and this thing is related to that channel. This is how you do it. But one more thing, only that person or that option will be available when you're tagging that account if that person has really created that business or category to their profile. For example, this person has like written that photographer or is in that photography category. So this is why it is appearing here. This is it. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.